What if medicine disappeared tomorrow? Hospitals would shut down, pharmacies would be empty, and doctors would vanish. Any wound infection or fever would once again become a deadly threat, and survival would depend solely on the knowledge our ancestors possessed. But ancient civilizations had already faced these challenges. Egyptians performed surgery without anesthesia. Chinese healers used plant-based antibiotics. And medieval doctors knew how to save lives without modern medicine. How did they do it? Which treatments actually worked and which were deadly? How did they stop bleeding, disinfection wounds, or fight infections without antibiotics? In this video, we will explore ancient medical technologies and discover how our ancestors survived. Step 1. Medicinal herbs. How did nature replace pharmacies? Long before pharmaceutical companies, people relied on herbs and plants to treat various ailments. Some of them had remarkable powerful medicinal properties. Ancient natural antibiotics. Without antibiotics, any infection could become fatal. Ancient healers used natural substances that could kill bacteria. Garlic, a natural antiseptic containing allicin, which kills bacteria and fungi. Honey had antibacterial properties and was used to treat wounds. Willow bark, a natural source of salicin, the precursor to aspirin, which reduced inflammation and pain. Yarrow helped with wounds, stopped bleeding, and sped up healing. Aloe vera, used for burns and wounds with natural antiseptic effects. Herbal medicine in different civilizations. In ancient Egypt, healers used herbal mixtures soaked in wine and vinegar to treat infections. In China, ginseng, ginger, and licorice root were used to boost immunity. In medieval Europe, monks created herbal tinctures with alcohol to fight fevers. Step 2. How were wounds and burns treated without modern bandages? Injuries and burns were among the leading causes of death in ancient times. Without antibiotics and sterile dressings, infections could quickly lead to gangrene and death. How were wounds cleaned and bandaged? Cleansing with wine and vinegar, used by the Greeks and Romans since the acid killed bacteria. Spiderweb dressings. Ancient Romans placed spider webs on wounds, as they contained natural antiseptics. Moss and herbs bandages, sphagnum moss was used as a natural antiseptic and absorbed moisture better than modern cotton. Ash and charcoal used for disinfection and toxin removal. Stopping bleeding. Hot iron cauterization. In extreme cases, wounds were seared with red-hot metal to stop bleeding. Jarrow and needle used as natural coagulants. Sutures made from animal tissue, ancient surgeons used the thin animal tendons instead of modern stitches. Step 3. Ancient surgery. Could patients survive? Contrary to popular belief, ancient surgeons were not always brutal, but instead highly skilled in performing complex operations without anesthesia or modern tools. Surgical tools of the ancients. Sharp flint and bronze knives used for amputations. Metal forceps used for removing arrows and foreign objects. Bone chisels used for skull surgeries like trepanation. Trepanation, skull surgery without anesthesia. One of the most astonishing ancient procedures was trepanation, where a portion of the skull was removed to treat head injuries and relieve pressure. Archaeological findings show that many people survived these operations, as their skulls later healed. Ancient surgeons used stone scrapers and metal blades to carefully remove bone fragments. For anesthesia, they used alcohol, narcotic herbs, and even hypnosis. Step 4. How did ancient civilizations fight infections and epidemics? Ancient methods of disinfection. Steam baths and sweating treatments used in various cultures to remove toxins and fight disease. Sulfur and resin fumigation, Ancient healers burned resin and sulfur indoors to disinfect the air. Quarantines in medieval Europe. Sick individuals were isolated outside city walls to prevent diseases spread. Early blood medicine, transfusion without technology. Ancient physicians attempted to heal patients through bloodletting, believing it purified the body. In ancient Egypt, early experiments involved transfusing animal blood. It wasn't until the 17th century that successfully human-to-human transfusions began. Step 5. How did people treat teeth and manage pain? Ancient dentistry. Egyptians made the first gold and ivory dentures. In ancient China, herbal and mineral mixtures were used to treat toothaches. Medieval healers used cloves and opium as painkillers. What was used instead of anesthesia? Wine and alcohol. Standard pain relief before surgery. Opium, mandrake, and belladonna, some of the first natural anesthetics. Acupuncture, China used to relieve pain. Humanity survived for thousands of years without hospitals and antibiotics. Relying on natural resources and ingenuity, ancient healers had deep knowledge of herbs, wound care, and surgery, and many of their methods remain effective even by modern standards. But if medicine disappeared again, would you have the knowledge to survive? The book is an encyclopedia of humanity's greatest inventions and discoveries, handcrafted with illustrations combining engineering blueprints and historical art. It will be your key to survival and prosperity in any world, whether ours or an alternative world. Click the link to gain knowledge that might one day save humanity.